Master, this window won't open. What is this fuse? This little tongue is stuck inside. I need to open it first. Master, I've been trying to fix this window for a long time, but it still won't open. Can you help? Can you help me open it? The fuse is stuck, and I can't use my butt. It's holding me back. Can you fix it for me? Open it up. Is this the fuse? Use a flat screwdriver or similar tool. It's okay. You can use this to fix it first and see if it opens. It opens like this. It opens like this. This is the tongue. Is the window made too small? This window has this problem. It's normal. Yes, it's a little small, and then it causes this. Usually, the fuse is stuck. Maybe one is that the window is a little small. The other is that the tongue of the window is short. These are the two problems. Generally, people with short tongues are more likely to not be able to operate it. In our video, the aluminum window with broken bridge cannot be opened. How to fix the fuse.